This video is a tutorial on how to find overdue tasks in your Project Insight workspace. So there's a few different ways to go about finding a particular report for this. If you want to add it to an existing report, you can simply click your reports icon, go down to task reports, and any of these task reports can be edited. But right now we're going to show you how to create one. So when you're in here within your reports, you can just select task, and we're going to add a task report. And from here, you're going to see a few different options. You can do your quick filter types. Scroll down in your quick filter types or type in there, and you're going to select overdue tasks. One other thing to note is you may want to adjust your dates here. So for this one, we're going to do some specific dates just to set that up here. And we just want our overdue tasks from January 1 and then ending today. All right, so from here, what you can do as well is if you need to add any particular groupings, you can click your group by. And you're going to go ahead and on this one, you can group it by project. If you want to simplify things a little more, select add, and then go ahead and run your report. Now what this has done is this has grouped your overdue tasks by project. And you can just click their drop downs and see what tasks are overdue within each project. This was a quick tutorial on how to find the overdue tasks in your system through a task report.